Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we going to discuss Undead Dolphin NFT. Undead Dolphins NFT. 1,111 undead dolphins haunting the seas of Solana. Undead Dolphins is a 1.111 collection of dolphins haunting the Solana blockchain. Undead dolphins are being swept up by big waves, water wave coming in, pulling undead dolphins from the floor onto the beach with umbrella. Beached Undead Dolphins will be delisted to raise the floor for our diamond hands. Gemstone. Late 2022 our P2E Undead Dolphins game will launch, accessible only by our Undead Dolphins hodlers, where high scores are rewarded with Beached Undead Dolphins. Roadmap. Phase 1 Birth. Undead Dolphin Community launches, a secret community for DGN alpha insights, whitelists, and knowledge sharing. It's nice to be nice. Brain. Phase 2 Deflate. At 50% mint, we'll start buying and delisting floor undead dolphins on a recurring basis and pull them ashore. Phase 3 Merch. Undead Dolphins merch drops at 75% of mint. All dolphin holders get early access and discount to our Undead Dolphin merch drop. Phase 4 Play. When we reach 100% of mint, development on Undead Dolphins P2E game V1 starts, offering hodlers the opportunity to win Beached Undead Dolphins. Phase 5 UD DAO. Undead Dolphins DAO will start a DAO with our diamond hands that have stuck with us. Team. Undead Dolphins is the brainchild of a squad of 3. One marketing leader with a 10+ year background. FAQ. Can I trust the team? Yes. We are a team of 4 NFT lovers that combine into a group with a unique skill set. How does UD work? The Undead Dolphins project is based on simple economics. We decrease circulation by buying floor UDs from the community. Play to earn what? Play to earn means a game where instead of spending money. When P2E game? As soon as the project mints out, we'll start work on the P2E game that enables UD holders to start winning. What blockchain? Undead Dolphins is on Solana. Read all about the Solana blockchain here. Secondary market? Most of the value of this project is derived from trade activity on the secondary market. How collab? We're just getting started and understand a team of 3 is just a launching squad. Is it safe? This project is about art and economics. We don't want to lose a minute of sleep over technology. What is next? After we've delivered on all items on the roadmap, we'll go to the DAO to advise us on next steps for the project. Is it safe? This project is about art and economics. We don't want to lose a minute of sleep over technology. Thanks for watching our video.